Big man, you still a babysit him. Never wrong yet. Nobody hold him accountable because what? He make we laugh and him give a joke and we not take him serious. Oh, we not take him serious. Like, how God, we not take him serious. And the whole of we support it and encourage the behavior. So Francine, boom. Him daughter go around him, different story that. Him daughter say him back gun pan her. She lock him up, whatever, that in the court. No man, I don't no go say lie she tell upon him. You're not going to say him are the victim again. Zero accountability. Because we see him as super talented, we see him as, you know, we think say people are fighting him. Yeah, people are fighting him, uno are troubling him, we are troubling him, people are troubling him, always uno are troubling him. Why we even here, so? When I youth, I go say me are the worst artist and I him like me and me not